Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you origami. Please take your scissors and your colorful paper. Now I am going to teach you a frog. First of all, make it a center. Open it, you will get it one line. Fold it till down. Fold it one more down. Here, cut it rest of part. So here you will get it two squares adjoint. Fold it here proper. Now fold it upside. Again fold it upside. Fold it proper. Now open it. So you will get it one cross on one square and one cross on another square. Now you have to joint it. You have to press the portion both the side. Here press it like this, press it like this, and like this. So you will get it a perfect line. Now same thing here, one outer fold, one more outer fold, press it inside. So you will get it a two part like this. Turn it opposite side. Fold it from the center line to the center line. Don't go beyond that line. Same thing here. Fold it this line to this line. Now open this pocket and put it inside. Same thing here. Open the pocket, put it inside. Turn it back side. Fold it in a slanting manner at the back portion. Same thing here. Now this should be going towards downside. Here, again it should be here. Press it properly. Now again here little bit small fold. Again little bit small fold. Again here small fold. Again here small fold. Here is our frog ready. You can make it by own self with a different colors, with a good backdrop, water backdrop. Enjoy friends.